I'm Crystal Carson, and we are here in Vegas at the MJBizCon. I'm speaking with Richard from Cliintel Capital Management Group. Now, Richard, you're one of the investors in the industry,
yes.
And everyone is talking about the green rush. Is it over? Has it happened? Is it 2.0? How did you even get into the cannabis investing?
Well, it's all those things, and it's been going on for a while, and
Yeah.
I think we're right at the beginning still. But
Okay.
Originally, I got into the business just as an investor, as a way to diversify my portfolio. And it became so exciting, we actually changed our whole business.
Oh.
We used to be doing business analytics for cable companies.
Oh, wow.
And because we're based in Colorado, it was all around us back in 2014, so we went all in and started a private equity company and have lots of different companies that we funded.
Okay, and so did you choose, or I guess over the years, was there an initial industry? Because a lot of what's happening too in Canada and the US, I think everywhere, as we're seeing the industry unfold, we're starting to see silos of licensing and as well industry-specific silos of where people are going to be servicing and cultivation and retail. Where did you start, and has that progressed and changed over the last few years?
Yes, substantially. We started with vertically integrated investment,
Okay.
so investment in a vertically integrated enterprise. So it was cultivation, extraction, and retail, both medical and recreational. Since then, we've gone with specialized with wholesale type cultivation, with manufacturing from an extraction lab. Particular brand, The Clear, is one of our brands. And then we've done some ancillary companies as well, what people like to refer to as picks and shovels.
Yes.
So non-plant touching investments. We have a few of those kind of companies as well.
And so you're based in Colorado. What other states have you gone into, and why?
Right. Well, the states that we've gone into have been through our licensing of the Clear brand.
Okay.
So we don't hold licenses, we don't touch plants outside of Colorado.
Okay.
It's too difficult. We're a smaller PE firm, so winning licenses is terribly expensive and very time consuming. So what we do is we partner with a licensee, and they license the Clear brand, and then we work with them from our packaging and hardware company and our support services companies. So in addition to them getting the intellectual property around how to make the Clear and the support from home office, they make the product and sell the product. So we help them with marketing, merchandising. And right now we're in Washington, Oregon, California, Las Vegas, Arizona, and Colorado.
Got it. So back to the green rush. Where do you think we're at? Like, do you think it's over? What's your opinion about this? Because I think so far, since I got on the ground in Vegas, everybody's been talking about this, especially on the side of the investments. Like, are they too late? What's next? Where are you at with that outside of the Clear brand, personally, like as from a financial perspective? Where would you look at the next step for an investor?
The industry is really evolving. So I think that's when you hear people exiting. That's not as much because the green rush is over or that we're near the completion. It's a very difficult industry, and obviously still federally illegal. So it wears you down, I think. And it's evolving so rapidly and profoundly that it is, you said Cannabis 1.0, it's really, we got Cannabis 1.0 operators, typically they were medical only. The Cannabis 2.0 operators, a little more business, changing businesses, changing careers. Cannabis 3.0 operators are more financially oriented and just looking for investments, looking for operators. But we're in the second inning of a long game. There's so much to do. You know, we have a lot more states to legalize. We got a federal issue, and there's a few countries that are interested in it as well. So,
Totally.
Now is probably a better time to get in than it has been the last couple of years, because the industry has made a paradigm shift and there's a lot more opportunity. Obviously bigger markets. California kind of changed the game. So, and Michigan just went. And, so every time there's a new state, there's huge opportunities, and the opportunities to capture returns are profound at the beginning, and now that the industry, when you look at what the show has done,
yes.
This show could fit in a box 5 years ago.
Right.
Now it's half this convention center.
It's 30,000 people?
Yeah, which so I don't even remember what there was 5 years ago.
Right.
But it's got to be 10 times that. You know? So the technology is better, the support services are better, there's more brands. So when a new state opens, they can start at a much more advanced place than we used
placing.
to. Yeah.
That's awesome.
So yeah, now's a good time to get in.
Good.
It's a good time.
Well, you haven't missed the boat, kids. Thanks so much for joining us today.
You bet. Thank you.
Great to meet you.
Good to meet you.